Here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So first of all, you have to locate and open your camera app, and in my case it is right here. Then let's move to video mode and click on the settings. Then find and pick video size, so let me pick for rear camera, and here you will find the resolution, so you can smoothly change it by picking the preferred option. Then if you will go back and pick front camera, it will be just the same, smoothly pick the resolution that you would like to apply. And then you can record in this video mode. Here you've got also Pro video size, so here you have also the ability to change the resolution, the quality of your recordings. So that would be all. This is how you can change video quality. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.